Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Tag Manager preview mode in dataLayer events step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to your website. Ensure that Google Tag Manager is installed on your website. Log in to your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container associated with your website. Click on the preview button in the upper right corner of the screen. A new tab will open, prompting you to enter your website URL. Input your website URL and click Connect. Your website will now open in a new tab with the Google Tag Manager preview mode activated. You will see a debug console at the bottom of your website. Navigate through your website to generate some interactions or events. Look for dataLayer events that appear in the debug console. As you interact with your website, monitor the debug console for dataLayer changes. Click on the dataLayer tab in the console to view the current dataLayer state. Observe the events and variables being pushed to the dataLayer. Verify that the information pushed matches your expectations. Take note of any discrepancies or missing dataLayer events. If you do not see expected events, revisit your Google Tag Manager setup. Check your tags, triggers, and variables to ensure they are configured correctly. After making adjustments, refresh the preview mode and retest your website interactions. Continue monitoring the dataLayer for accurate event tracking. When you are satisfied with the findings, exit preview mode. Document your results for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.